state policy. Okay. Third one is democracy. The main purpose of making democracy as a fundamental state policy is to ensure people's participation in all activities of the country. Okay, why democracy is taken as a fundamental state policy? You can write the answer by writing this line: to ensure people's participation in all activities. Okay, the fundamental human rights and freedom of the people will be ensured through this fundamental state policy. Human rights and freedom of people will be ensured. It will establish the prestige of people. It will establish the prestige. Which one will be established? It will establish the prestige of people. Number 4, secularism. Secularism means, in Bengali it's called dharma niropekkota. You may have heard that in Bengali saying is, a proverb goes that dharma jar jar rashtra sabar. This secularism, this fundamental state policy denotes this saying. Secularism has been included as a state policy so that because every citizen can practice his or her religion equally. In our country, we have people of different religions, different castes. People of different castes live in our country. So this secularism is included in constitution to ensure the practice of people of different religion, and nobody can create any hindrance to one another in the practice of religion. So nobody can create obstacle or hindrance to one another, and no chaos will be occurred by different religions. So secularism is included as the fundamental state policy. The major policies are followed in every sector of the state administration. In the administration of state, these major policies are followed. Every law and order will be made by maintaining these 4 state policies. Every citizen should abide by these policies. Every citizen should obey these policies. Besides, the Constitution is a holy document of state administration. It is considered as the holy document of state administration. To running the state, this document is very important. To making a law, to implementing any law in the society, this Constitution is very important. So it's the duty for every citizen to honor and abide by this Constitution. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. Let's read this lesson again at home, and if you have any problem, then ask me through comments. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay sound.